You jerk! You broke our favorite rifle!
Never liked guns.
Oh, man! Why'd you have to do that? No, look, you don't need to do nothing!
Best of bounty this guy. Now that's how you get him.
Hey, nice going, stranger. I'll go get your moolah over at the bounty store, eh?
Hey, Taylor Buzzhead! You let me out now! I had my brother kill you quick!
Now shut up, you moron!
So how's it going, jailbait?
You're real funny, Fuzzface! I'll be laughing real hard when my brother's knocking your teeth out!
Need to find that bounty store. Pardon? You tell me where the bounty store is?
Now what do I look like to you? An information kiosk? Get out of here! Hey, welcome to the bounty store. Hey, you must be the guy that bagged blisters out by the forest.
Yeah, it's true, but I'm, looking for Doc. I need him to fix a problem.
Well, Doc's up in his Mungo office, but he'll be back here soon. In the meantime, I'll cash out them outlaws you captured, and I got a few more for you. Hey, stranger, I need you to bag Filthy Hands Floyd. He's been pestering our wagons for months and saying he ain't even got serious yet. Head through the north gate until you find the wagons. Safely, I hope. Uh-huh. Oh, you're right on the move with that.
You know where Filthy Hands Floyd might be hiding?
Lots of places for a guy like that to hide around Dead Ends Pass. Hey, Arnie, open that gate so Stranger here can bag us some more of them scumbag outlaws. Okay. Yeehaw! Clean 'em up there, Stranger. Here's your bow back, Stranger. Now you gotta learn to hunt your own live ammo. Try it out on some of those critters over there. Sorry, Stranger. I can't let you back in till you bag Floyd. Too dangerous to keep opening.
You seen a wagon train?
The wagon train? Sure, it comes through Dead Ends Pass, further up the road. Now cut that out! Oh, what's your problem?
I gotta... Been looking for Bolamites. They's good for wrapping up outlaws.
Hey, boss wants us to stop them wagon trains from getting to town. I think we're all set. Good, 'cause here they come. Get into position. Hold it, hold it, hold it. Now! Gotcha! Ah! Damn! That ought to stop them. Okay, guard the area. Make sure no one gets past us to the other wagons. Stupid Marvin. Crush broken. I hate these things. Who the hell's over there? Alright! Something wrong going on here.
Didn't know there was fuzzles round here. I best grab some and put the bite on some boys. Now those wagons are under attack. Gotta bag those boys and then deploy.
showed up, I thought we were done for.
Well, it looks like them outlaws blocked the road to town.
Yeah, those stinky bastards got us good this time. I think there's a mine shaft around here that'll get us to town. Where is it? I could swear it was over here. No, that's not it. Oh, maybe over here. Now, what was I looking for again?
Oops! Ha ha ha!
Filthy hands, Floyd. I'm taking you in. Alive or a corpse. It's your choice.
Looks like we got company, boys. Let's give them a warm welcome.
Got a bed.
Finally, those outlaws are out of here.
Yeah, but I think I messed my drawers.
Billy! Whew, damn, it stinks in there. Whoa, nice work, partner. You showed them outlaws. Good thing, too, 'cause this mine leads straight to town. Well, it's safe for me to leave it open now. I better see how them wagon trains is holding up.
So, which button activates the timer again? The blue one. You sure? I thought it was the green one. Look, I'm telling you, it's the blue one. Okay, jeez. I'll push the green one. Oh no, you idiot!
Welcome back, stranger. Nice job taking out Floyd. Those wagon trains should arrive any time now. Thanks again. Now, you crazy. Now, you stinky turd. Hey there, stranger. You looking for work? Oh, the Lootin' Duke, that's who you're looking for. He's a feisty outlaw scoundrel. He's hiding out behind the water facility down the road, past the west gate. Oh, the Lootin'
You seen this guy?
Well, he might be up past that old mine shaft. Best you be careful, though. I heard he ain't alone. My house sometime for lunch. Stranger?
This the way to Lootin' Duke?
Yeah, you betcha, partner. You're on the right track. But if you're going for the Duke, you're gonna need some thud slug ammo. Hey, you can hunt him up on the next plateau.
Thud slugs flying around. They's great in a fight, knocking them outlaws out.
Enjoying smacking my boys around, stranger?
Well, it's not quite the party you and Blister's booty gonna have. Smacking it up in that cozy jail.
Blister's booty? Oh no, I ain't going back in the cell with him. Oh no, I got dignity. I ain't going back, never going back. I got dignity. You do not want to know. Learn the pieces, boys!
do some time.
All right, stranger, you ain't taking me. Bring it on!
Now that's how dukes go down. Boom bats, yeah, I could use some of them. Blow them outlaws into little bitsies.
look like a badass. Well, stranger, that squares us up. Oh yeah, and Doc's back in town. He's waiting for you in his office. Hey! Hey, good job, stranger. We're fully stocked again. Yeah, pleasure doing business with you.
Welcome back. You'll be happy to see that I've worked up an ingenious approach to your, little problem. Right. Well, due to the unique nature of this case, the operation is shaping up to be rather complicated. Well, give or take a few grand.
What? I ain't paying that.
Right. Well, sorry to hear that, but I got a business to run.
I need this to survive.
Right. Well, that could be a problem, couldn't it? For you.
How the hell am I paying for this?
You're supposed to be the big badass bounty hunter. Figure it out.
So why you featherheads all freaking out, eh?
Oh, haven't you heard? Boyle's Booty's coming to town.
Let's hit the bounty store and see what they got. Best take another bounty.
Cut that out!
Should get to the bounty store and get another bounty.
Well, what the...
So why you featherheads all freaking out, eh?
What do you think you're doing? Oh, stranger, I'm glad you're back. We just got word that Boyle's Booty is on his way to town. I already got a bounty on him.